Hello kids, again, chapter 2/2. First, we need to read the directions. Okay, Chance is busy today. He needs to refer to his calendar to be sure he remembers everything he has to do. Use the calendar to answer the questions below. Okay, so you need to answer the question below. Okay, first question. This one you have to do it by yourself, so I'm just gonna give you a hint for the first one, then you need to follow and answer the other ones. When does Chance have computer class? Right here on this part over here, you see at what time he has a computer class. Okay, so what time? You need to write over here. As it is in here, you need to write it on the line. Okay, so please answer the questions. And also, you don't need to answer as it is because remember that you have multiple choice for this one too. So you have to do it as a multiple choice, okay? Please remember, answer correctly. Don't be guessing. Genesis, remember that I know you. Please don't be guessing. Diego, you need to read it and follow the direction, okay? Nemaya, you're doing a good job, so you don't have to, I don't have to remember you that you are a good student, okay? Thank you.